We have made a ton of progress since we last checked in. We had quite a bit of a delay waiting for the strata to get things figured out with the siding, but that's now all dealt with. So I'll show you what we did there. Subfloor is all installed, ready to go to receive flooring. We have passed plumbing rough-in, we've passed electrical rough-in. We just need to pass building inspection. Wandering over here, this area is all looking awesome. I'll flip the camera around and show you what the fireplace details are looking like. It is fixing to be amazing. Anyways, great project update, great stuff happening here. I'm really looking forward to showing you guys this project as it continues through the process of being renovated. We are so excited to get this done for this fantastic client and get her back her kitchen so that she can live normally again. Let's flip that camera around and see what we've done. So starting here, this is where the kitchen sink and dishwasher will go. So that's all been roughed in right here. We've got a little rough in here for LED strip lights for the upper cabinet. And in case all you brainiacs are wondering, the driver or the power for that will come from down there. Sliding over here, this is the rot repair work repaired now. So we had to make sure that we got rid of all of the rot and dealt with all of that before we put the subfloor back in. You can see that this has all now been beautifully and meticulously glued and screwed. It is in a really nice shape. Now, let's go have a look at this fireplace over here. Once that gets clad and finished off, oh, it's gonna look so good. Really, really, really nice development and activity on this project. Our team is just kicking butt and taking names. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.